Heroes from director Clint Eastwood in theaters February 9th. UFC debut is 2 inches taller. Valentina Shevchenko advantage. Inside the octagon to get us ready is...
At 3 rounds, this in the UFC flyweight division. In 56 pounds tonight, she makes her UFC debut, bringing a Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Here is the undefeated. And across the octagon, at 25 pounds and has a record of 14 victories. Number 1 bantamweight contender in the world, Valentina Shevchenko.
Mario Yamasaki back to work for this. And a minus 900 favorite from the Marine Corps. Valentina Shevchenko in the black. Cachoeira her last 3 appearances, so maybe higher output coming to elbow Cachoeira. Oh man, quick hands from Shevchenko. He fires a couple of big right hands, but Shevchenko scoring.
Landed some shots, had her rocked, but she knows where your experience and her counter strikes.
In her professional MMA career, she has won against elite level competition for every bit as advertised through the first 90 seconds.
Getting the work here, landing some huge elbows. Cachoeira
continuing to hammer away. Mario Yamasaki check. Another big elbow from Shevchenko. Clinches, keep her close. Posturing
right in front of us here, and you can just hear these vicious one.
Oh, more damage.
Just one of the best all-around fighters, period, too. Position, she lands another big left elbow.
To rain down elbows. Yamasaki standing right above Priscila Cachoeira, who damage on the forehead of Priscila Cachoeira.
Child's playing here right now with this ground and pound. She's hitting Cachoeira. Comes right over top. Big elbows.
Continuing to work. She's approaching 70 strikes landed and just
holding the head of Shevchenko, and that doesn't work. Arms, inside bicep control. She can't control the wrist either because you can
just see a second round perhaps. We'll have to see. We'll hang here for a moment and see how Priscila Cachoeira.
Agora. Meu joelho feel agora.
Knees. Look at my knees.
Eu senti o joelho.
Did you feel the punches?
Back after this with the second round.
How you doing? Just a knee.
And here's that beautiful, actually, considering how many elbows landed.
90 total strokes. She'll need to do a lot more if she wants to try to find a way to pull this mess.
Passes right over to side control. Might be looking for him.
Earning her nickname of the Bullet when she was 12 years old. Work once again and really controlling Cachoeira.
Through herself. So these strikes don't even have to be that hard. If she's unable to defend herself, oh, she's got the arm.
She's now looking to lock up the arm. Had an answer to defend anything. And Valentina Shevchenko has... Shevchenko more than 5 minutes of top time and
down again. She gets it.
Trying to find an angle. Anything.
She got dealt a tough hand here.
Plus strikes. And continuing to try. And how much longer will it last?
Because Valentina's taking her down now in each round and controlled the fight. I don't even want to mess around giving this girl a chance on the feet to. But I think this fight could even be over faster, honestly, if she's down here at flyweight.
Just not even giving the glimmer of discovering just what it is to be an elite Valentina Shevchenko. And now in full bounce. And look out! Shevchenko staying busy. Well over a minute of this fight. In the choke. Cachoeira still looking. Worst nightmare. Valentina Bullet Shevchenko. A performance showing every bit why she is the
aspect of this fight, from the feet, counter-striking, takedowns.
Out coverage in your hands by covering 99% of people in the U.S.
Yeah, here knew she was going to have an even bigger advantage, was on top, being a submission by rear naked choke after just from Shevchenko.
Told us earlier this week for 5 rounds in a main event spot, and she did early and often, unofficially more than 200. FSC giving the crowd what they want. The victory.
Ladies and gentlemen, the end comes officially for Shevchenko.
Move back down. You move down to 125 pounds. You've got to be happy with that performance.
First, buenas noches, Belém. Buenas. She's very tough, and she just started her way in the MMA. In the future, I know for sure. Just keep going, keep training without no.
Então ela vai crescer muito ainda na carreira dela.
Yeah, as always, nothing but you decided to take the fight to the ground. Was that the game plan coming in here knowing?
You know, it's every time my coach, Pavel Fedotov, he's every can have. We are doing on the training. It depends on the.
O que acontece aqui dentro, então não tem só uma estratégia. Eu vejo o que minha adversária me apresenta. Com uma performance dessa, você acha que você está perto de uma disputa da cinturão da categoria?
You have to fight for the title now. You have to fight for the title now. I know that without waiting too much, I decided to step in the octagon, but.
Muita gente me perguntou por que eu não lutei pelo título agora, mas eu não queria esperar.
Love to see you fight for that title. Congratulations, your winner, Valentina Shevchenko.
And always calling out for Nico Montano, the champion at